Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's been a while since I made a video. It has been slow. Nothing worth filming. I got a ceiling fan today, though. I turn it on, and that's how fast it goes. It doesn't go any faster on all settings. So, we'll check it out. Ooh, looks like that old capacitor burned up, man. Let's get that down and look at it. Dang, Skid. I don't know if I've ever seen one do this before. All my years. Alright, I'm just gonna hang a whole new light kit, throwing this one in the trash. Now you knock out this little cap here, and this black and go up through the hole, and you connect the white to white and the black to blue. They just plug into there. You're all done. Just screw it on. White to white, black to blue. Alright, we're done. Then we just plug it up to the fan. Alright, I got it all back together. Let's turn on the switch, see what happens. That's what it's supposed to look like. It was just humming. It would hum or it would turn really slow. Ooh wee. That just looks violent. Alright, that was the problem. Thanks for bearing with me through this slow season, guys. The hot season is coming, and that is when the floodgates open. HVAC videos, plumbing. Just the winter around here, North Florida, is really slow. Alright, thank y'all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.